Menteri Berikmi Ikatan Arts and Culture ke Sarkar Jelau ubak Pol Lingdo hakan riu tarik ulber arja persau laong. Baka jingbuh mawnongrim bantai ya ke Tagore Cultural Complex adil bang hakan ya ke sngi ke deru kum ke jingai sngewbha sngi namar ke jingdap shisnam jong Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA-II dak penpau baka Shillong kam dai tang ke kerteng ke nongba lani ke jaka song jakasa ubak Pol laong baka dai ke jaka riti dustur bat ke jingnang jingtip dak pen kan mau ya ki riu krau ki blawan jengo ai ke nongba kumu Rabindranath Tagore bat giwe pat. Nalor ba po lay don lang ru dau MLA ke Shillong South uba Sanbor Sulai uba FR Kharkongor Commissioner and Secretary Ketanat Arts and Culture uba FM Dopt Secretary UDD Shira Director nalor giwe pat. Kamang tingka bantai ketika kompleks kalong kalai klur kalai lak tingka nak ke Sarkar India bat shi klur saupusan lak tingka nak Ketanat Arts jong Sarkar Jelah.
I was inducted as a Minister of Art Culture on the 27th July 2021, where we have initiated with the official of the Art and Culture and till Delhi to get this project happen. This is a little bit abstract view of the story of Rabindranath Tagore Devji. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore set his first foot in Shillong on the 11th October 1919. He stayed here behind us. This is Heritage House. You can go after the program, you can visit inside, take photograph. You will see that the bed and the bedroom along with the bed and other items are still lying intact inside this heritage. And during the inspection, a few days ago with our Honorable Minister, Paul, Frederick, Bird, Shira and other officials, we went inside with Munish Singh, where we have decided not to dismantle this existing heritage house. We will not dismantle. We will clean it and we will renovate and paint it. And the cultural complex, as per the inspection, it will happen here. And the museum, then bar, restaurant, coffee will be around, where the people from Shillong, especially the tourists, will come. They can come, eat their food, they can go around, they can see, take photographs, and it will be this message will go to every part of India, even abroad, where after the project was completed, so it will attract the flow of traffic, not only from our country, India, and even from abroad. After that, the reply was received from the Honorable Minister Reddy that the proposal has been provisionally approved for central estimate of rupees 13.13 crore. Out of the total project cost of rupees 14 crore 58,000. 58 lakh, 14 crore 58 lakh. By National Appraisal Committee in its meeting dated 6/6/2022. Physical verification of the project was done by me and all the officials of the Art and Culture Department in presence of official of Northeast Zone Cultural Center, Ministry of Culture, Government of India on the 19th September 2022. Physical inspection report as communicated on me by the Northeast Zone Cultural Center was submitted to Delhi on the 3rd of October 2022. As informed to me by the official of the Arts and Culture Department, of the pending documents were submitted by the department on the 2nd October 2022, as required by the Union Ministry of Culture. Due to the election, the matter was delayed and it was communicated that communicated to the ministry that the same will be sanctioned after the election. So on 28 March 2023, when I was an agriculture minister, the certificate for accorded, the sanction was accorded by the Ministry of Culture, sanction letter number FNOs dot 20-19/2020 PT Arts 2, Roman 2. The department has recently received the first sanction among rupees 5 crore, and the same will be executed by the department after the election. So this is the time where we have started, along with the inspiration, the support of my colleague and the chief guest and the Art and Culture Minister, Paul Victor.
Incidentally, today, the 6th of March, also happens to be the first anniversary of our MDA-II government. So in a way, this is MDA's birthday gift to the state of Meghalaya, and especially to Tagore's fans and followers. Shillong is not just a name, a city, or an address. It is a hub of culture. It is an icon of civilization. When I read about Arundhati Roy, it gives me immense pleasure to know that she was also born in Shillong, Robert Hospital, Jingai. Had she stayed on, she would have been my voter. When we have a day like today, we celebrate the fact that life is not just about pursuing our careers, attending work. In fact, I'm delighted by the fact that we have a packed audience today, being a working day. It means that all of you have chosen to be here away from the call of duty, because deep down inside each one of us, there lives a dreamer, a poet, and a passionate lover of the arts. Beyond the call of duty and beyond the confines of our office spaces. Friends, it is also a happy occasion for me to announce that this project, we have organized today's foundation stone laying ceremony with the sole intention of pursuing and actively commencing the project, as Sabor has just highlighted. In fact, I'm thankful to my predecessors in the department, Sabor Shulai, ELHEC, and our Chief Minister, who had in the past pursued this matter actively with the powers that be in Delhi. And after I took over, we also made sure that we would come up with the required state share in order to enable this project to take off. We also have a very clear vision that this cultural complex, when completed, will not only cater to Tagore's fans here in Shillong, but we would like to make it global, connect with Dhaka, connect with West Bengal, to ensure that it is a vibrant cultural center filled with activities and programs. We would like to see the exchange of cultures and following Gurudev's philosophy that someone should rise above his ethnic identity to become a global thinker and a global visionary. Before I wind up, I'd like to seek the support of each one of you, especially in today's high-tech digital world. Please share with your friends across the world that Shillong has added another pearl to its geography, this cultural complex, which, as Tagore has reminded us, this very complex houses a room that Tagore had used and also a bed he had slept in. And I'm sure that the group for which Brookside came to be called has also inspired him into lines of poetry and flights of his imagination.
जब राजू को अपने महीने के राशन का चावल मिला तो उसने देखा कि कुछ चावल के दाने बाकी दानों से अलग लग रहे थे। राजू को कुछ ठीक नहीं लगा। उसने इस बारे में अपने दोस्त देव से बात की।
देव, मैंने इस बार फोर्टिफाइड चावल लिया था जिसमें सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व मिले हुए हैं, पर मुझे इसमें प्लास्टिक जैसा कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है।
मैंने भी सुना है कि आजकल प्लास्टिक के चावल आम चावल में मिलाकर बेचे जा रहे हैं। इसके बारे में मैंने एक वीडियो भी देखा है जिसमें उन्होंने चावल से बॉल बना दी थी।
क्या ये सच है? अब हम इस चावल का क्या करें?
राजू, आज पड़ोस में हमारे एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर आए हुए हैं, चलो उनसे ही पूछते हैं।
राजू और देव ने अपने एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर से मिलकर इस बारे में बात की।
सर देखिए, इस फोर्टिफाइड चावल में कुछ दाने अलग दिख रहे हैं।
घबराइए नहीं, FSSAI के निर्देश के अनुसार चावल में सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्वों को सही मात्रा में मिलाया जा रहा है। इन्हें कहते हैं फोर्टिफाइड चावल। फोर्टिफाइड चावल के दाने चावल का पाउडर और सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व जैसे विटामिन B12, फॉलिक एसिड और आयरन को सही मात्रा में मिलाकर बनाए जाते हैं। फिर इन्हें आम चावल के साथ 1 दाना प्रति 100 दाने के अनुपात में मिलाया जाता है।
अच्छा, पर ये बॉल जैसा क्यों हो जाता है?
पके हुए चावल में 80% स्टार्च होता है और कार्बोहाइड्रेट की अधिक मात्रा होने के कारण चावल चिपकता है और इसमें लचीलापन आता है। और हाँ, किसी भी तरह के चावल को चिपकाकर इस तरह की बॉल बन सकती है।
ये तो आपने बिल्कुल सही बात बताई सर, लेकिन क्या फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव और पकाने के तरीके में कोई फर्क होता है?
जी नहीं, फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव, स्वाद और पकाने की विधि आम चावल जैसी ही होती है। हमें फोर्टिफाइड चावल को अपने रोजाना के खाने में प्रयोग करना चाहिए ताकि हमें और हमारे परिवार को सही पोषण मिल सके। इसके साथ साथ सभी चावल उत्पादकों को भी फोर्टिफाइड चावल उपलब्ध करवाने चाहिए ताकि हम सब इससे स्वास्थ्य लाभ ले सकें।
आपने तो हमारी आंखें ही खोल दी। अब हम अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए फोर्टिफाइड चावल ही लाएंगे।
फूड सेफ्टी एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा जनहित में जारी।